Going under. Oh. When I started growing my hair, bro, at least 3 times a day, people would tell me that I look like you. And at first I thought it was dope, but it's not worth it, man. Look at me. You're about to kill me, man. So look, I'ma give you the best I got, but I can't promise you nothing. You ready, D? I got a lot of people saying you my bro. Canada, but you stay in New York. How you rich, but your bro stay broke? The relation is that cause we both got froze? I don't really think we look much alike. For you once, but you dumb if it's twice. 3 times have you out, that's a strike. Big bro finna feast, rather beat like a bite. To be honest, I think that you crazy to say me and dude is a famine, just similar babies to phase me, blatant degrade me. And lately I swear that the country been treating me shady. McGrady, way that you played me, it's lazy. I'm leaving, I swear there's no way you can trace me. And maybe, just maybe I'm back in the fort for the chip. You can call me the Brady. Dax, so what you about to call me? Step to the plate, knock it out, home run, that's a fact. Crack, how you addicted, persistent to see what the boy finna say in a rap. Clap when you listen, if you don't, I'll slow it down. Ain't it funny how you hooked and now you bopping to the sound? Thank you, speed it up, back up, got you locked in. 5-9 switch gears, how we clock it. Only nice if the look is alike, cause you mean that I'm Batman, designer is Robin. 1 more, you the goon, I'm the goblin. 2 more, I'm the fix, you the problem. 3 more, you hoop, I'm ballin'. Was a hobby, now I'm all in. Stacked to the odds as against me, you cannot defense me. I'm built for the tough, that's 4. Came in the game, I'm relentless to beat people's senses. I promise I leave when I'm bored. Kobe, how you know me? Special lefty, I'm Ginobili. Shit get messy, need a goalie. Let me shoot, bro, that's a sport. D, man, don't do this, bro. We can work together, man. Let's put our talents together and take over the world. Please, I got talent, man. Alright, let me tell you how it all started, please. Listen. Came in the game in unknown videos on my phone, made a name for myself. Made a little fire, but I told them not to touch cause the heat was just bad for their health. Speak for yourself, all got burnt. Dax on track, club get turned. IG famous on the web, but in real life I wait my turn. Man, it's fair, they don't care about my status on the social. So I started making tracks so they would love me for the vocals. 2 a week, so they see that my focus was bifocal. Local rapper from the 3 with the goal of going global. How? The focus and grind, patience and time, seeking to find, check and refine to be one of a kind. I'm the king to the throne, gotta claim what is mine. All in a race, first is a place. Run from the good, man, we striving for great. Straight going in, how I bust in the gate. Got the game by the nut, cause it's not up to fate. Not easy, not easy, believe me. Achievement deceiving the one who will lack the belief in. The one who conceived him, angel and demon. I know that our God is the reason. The one for the seasons, heat and the freezing, bird and the bees, and starving and feeding. Blessed that I'm eating, thanks be to God, cause I feel like I'm cheating. Hey, you see what I'm saying, man? I got this all out the mud, bro. I'm different, man. There ain't nobody like me. And if you don't believe me, D, listen to my credentials, man. Let me say something. I ain't even cussing this gosh darn rap. You probably don't care, but I dare you to find another rapper who could do it like that. As bad as a fact, not a possibility. Find another rapper with the same type of ability, speed and agility, quicks and delivery. 6'2" with this type of mobility, I promise. Not gonna happen. James is the game when I play all talent. League by myself, there be no passing. Demanding these rappers to fall into fashion. Play with a passion, blaze like a dragon, lead like a captain, kill like assassin, smooth like a Jackson. I know that's a lot, but Dax got it in the package. Not average, a savage. I use my advantage to seek and destroy other rappers I see that smart. The package, a pen and a pad, and I'm crafting the madness. The bars that they form, that's art. The damage inflicted is ignorance, surviving. I'll adapt for respect, cause I know that's hard. The bandage is needed to manage a canvas. I trashed it, it's over. I knew from the start. So thank you. Yes, this was the introduction. Panda beat, Dax with heat. Video by Swift Productions. Yes, I hope you really like it. If you don't, that's okay, because Dax will continue to rap anyway. So I took my girl to McDonald's, right? Dollar menu. And that's when I had to stop her and say, I am not about to buy anything that's over a whole $1.95. I know when we got here you were looking at those fries. Better get a small and don't you think about those pies. I noticed that you want some more shit. Yeah, you must be crazy, baby, probably been smoking. This is not a buffet, if I'm paying, I'm not joking. But you can get a water cup and baby, that's a bonus. Oh shit, okay, I just might need your change. I forgot my debit card just actually got stolen. I will pay you back though, that's my promise, it's not bogus. But since you're paying, baby, I'ma get some more shit. So she understood and she was like, well, what do you want, Dax? And that's when I was like, large fries, pies, some more shit. Big Mac just cause you're rich. My stomach's DeRozan. If you paying, it's gone in. Screw the value, that's hocus. I disappear it like pocus. Got a fetish for nuggets. In the saucy, I'm soaking. And I want my apple pies toasted. Ain't had one since '06. Yes, two, not just one. McGangbang's my shit. That's McDubs with no buns. Can you get me some Sprite though? Want a Pepsi, that's fine though. Let's just end on a high note. So I finished telling her my order, right? And she's like, wow, Dax, that's really a lot of food, baby. Are you sure you can finish all that? And that's when I got real angry and I said, I spy with my little eye a tummy that is hungry, that don't care about the price. A girl who's not my mummy, who shouldn't lecture me on life. So girl, take out your money and stop acting like my wife. Oh, I spy with my little eye a tummy that is hungry, that don't care about the price. A girl who's not my mummy, who shouldn't lecture me on life. So girl, take out your money and stop acting like my wife. Oh, I spy with my little eye. Oh, I spy with my little eye. I spy with my little eye. Oh, I spy with my little eye. Better buy me that food, girl. Dax.